So the map for this park really sucks, and the signage on the trail is really just homemade signs, stapled, laminated, homemade laminated signs stapled to some pieces of wood. So
we don't know where we're going.
We don't know where we're
where
going.
we're going.
Yeah, yeah, but we're here.
We're walking.
Going deeper in the pine scrub here. Apparently we're going in the opposite way of the trail because the numbers started out at 18 or 19 and working their way down. So I think we're going the reverse on the trail, but that's all right. We'll still wind up where we started. Right, Mark?
Yes, Coach.
You hear that?
Let's check on the map now. We're going away from the water now.
Here's the creek. Very creaky. Up to the next bridge. Actually, it's not a bridge, it's just a stopwalk there. Oh, this is pretty. Deep in Jonathan Dickinson State Park on the Kitching Creek here.
Jonathan Dickinson State.
We're back to the numbers. Yeah, so you found the shortcut trail through the pine forest and scrub.
Could have brought a machete.